IAS 40 defines investment property as land or buildings held for earning rentals or capital appreciation, or both. Owner-occupied properties are excluded from this definition, meaning they are not used in general operations. If significant ancillary services are provided to property occupants, it must be recognized as owner-occupied property under IAS 16. Insignificant ancillary services, like security and maintenance, allow the property to be classified as investment property under IAS 40. Investment property is recognized as an asset when it is probable that future economic benefits will flow to the entity. It is also recognized when the cost of the property can be reliably measured. The criteria for recognition include probable future benefits and reliable measurement of the cost.